Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Leatherman Surge for a quick review. The length in the close position is 4.5 inches and the main blade it's 3.1 inches long. So pretty decent ratio, you know, between the handle and the blade. The weight is pretty substantial. This is 12.5 ounces, so you're gonna feel this guy in the pocket. This pocket clip, it's a beautiful deep carry pocket clip, but it's optional. You're gonna need to buy this separately. And there's like 21 tools hidden in this beauty. You have four main tools like accessible from the outside, and all the other ones are going to be in this inside of the handles. So for example, you have this main blade with a nice flat edge and flat grind and a nice clip point. Next to that you have these beautiful and beefy scissors, like with a springy action, and you have over here your replaceable tool, like you can put like any jigsaw saws or like any, you know, other replacement for example like diamond files or things like that. And right next to that you have your pretty cool serrated blade, very beefy, with this kind of reverse tanto tip, which is going to be pretty useful to scrape things off. If you open this guy, on the inside you have your set of pretty beefy pliers with the hardened steel, which is going to be replaceable. This is a hard wire cutter. You can just replace that. And in the handles you're gonna have here your bit holder, so you can just buy almost, you know, any kind of bit for this holder over here, which is very versatile. Right next to that you have this wire stripper and can or package opener right next to that. In the other side you're gonna have another set of tools, like you have two screwdrivers, like a small flathead and pretty big one with you know, like kind of like beveled tip, which is gonna be useful also as a pry bar if you want. Right next to that you have your owl, you know, right over here with this sharp side. And all these tools are going to be accessible by just, jamming your nail inside and just pulling up, as well as on this side over here, you know. So not as fast as the P series, but I would say smoother than the Wave one. The sound of this guy is pretty, you know, substantial, because, you know, it's a big boy. So when you open it, you know, it's going to be more silent than the Free series, but closing it, it's not going to be quiet. Overall, this is like a heavy-duty tool. It's probably my favorite of the Leatherman series, and it's also up for sale right now, so you can also check the description to find out more. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you want to know more, please check out the full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.